welcome back to a new video. Today we're doing a little bit of river fishing here on the Assiniboine River. Something I haven't done much of. Fishing on the river, I used to little boat fishing and stuff, but just using these pickerel rigs with a 2-ounce weight. We got some salted minnows on there, and yeah, before we put on the camera, we caught already 2 goldeyes, 2 12-inch goldeyes, so that's nice. So I think we're gonna have a good day of fishing, but yeah, let's see if we can catch any. Yeah, catfish. Alright, are you jumping in? Stinky catfish. Oh, nice one. Ooh. There. 29 inches. Okay, let's go. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Okay guys, what's up on the first one? Oh, a little sauger. I think sauger or walleye. I'm not sure yet. Hey buddy, hey buddy, hey buddy. Alright, we just got here and we have 3 species already. We have a catfish, 2 goldeye. What is this, sauger? Walleye? Alright, well, you guys decide what that is, sauger or walleye, but it's small, so I'm gonna release it back into the water. Go ahead. Oh, that's a rock. Nice. That's fun. Okay guys, so we're here right now. This is the spot we're fishing, the canal. Just want to show you this real quick. And look at all those birds' nests. They're not only on the bottom ledge, if you look on the top ledge, it's just probably at least a couple hundred, you know? Alright, she's hooked up.
Ooh, it's a big one!
That's a big walleye.
Oh wait, it's...
The lead is stuck in the rocks. Nice little walleye. Let's see. How does it feel? Spot good?
Yep. Fast.
We're gonna eat it. So that's gonna be the best. Flip it down. What does it feel like? Smaller, bigger?
Like the same as last time?
Okay, so it should be the same
Like
class.
kind of heavy.
Alright, he's moving around quite a bit.
Woo! Okay, don't. Is that it?
Yeah, so he's had a rough one. He's a little bit dirty. But that's fine, because we're eating him anyway, so we're gonna dispatch him and not make him go through any more suffering. But she is just on fire with these. Oh, okay, she just chucked it on my chair. Man, you're making my chair bloody. Could you take him off? No, just kick him off at this point. As fast as you can off my chair, please. Just pull him off his tail. Like, oh, she's squishing it into my chair. well, I guess there's... I'll just take this here. Alright, now put it to the other fishing store. Alright, I think this is our goldback. Oh no, it's another small walleye. Come on out to the shore. Yeah, I'll go get it. Oh dang, he devoured that. There you go. Alright, well. Small. 14. Come on, buddy. Oh, he's starting to move a little bit. There we go. Nice. Fun. What I do now, we are here in the more, try talking to the mic, we are here into the more like calm water, you know, kind of like that. We've been catching them, but I haven't. Not as well as my sister here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go in the middle of the river over there where it's running pretty fast, and you know, check out what bites over there. Maybe it bites better, maybe it bites worse, but that's what I'm gonna. Fish decided not to bite anymore, so we decided it's time for us to bite. Got the grill here for the sausages, I think that's what they're called. Our little burner here, cooking some chili beans. Yeah, I'm gonna get that stuff and then grill it all up and eat some good food here on the river shore. Okay, let's see what we're working with. Oh, that looks amazing. Look at that sizzle. Got some nice bread on there, heating up. Let's flip this bread over. Oh, nice little toast. Oh, that's hot. That is looking good. Alright guys, here we go. Out on the river here. Got some chili, some chips, nice sausage, some barbecue sauce, toasted bread, and of course a cucumber. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, well, we were just eating here. That fish almost boulder rotted, and yeah, he's cooked up.
It's a pretty one.
Oh, it's a goldeye?
I don't know.
Is that a drum?
That's the drum.
Oh wow, species number 5. I don't know. Okay, new phone because mine just died in the middle of that, but here it is. A nice drum. Probably around 16, 15 inch. So